The Gowanus Canal is located between two incredibly vibrant neighborhoods in Brooklyn, Park Slope on one side and Carroll Gardens on the other. And it really wasn't until around 2005 or so that developers started to take notice of this historical industrial waterway that was really in poor shape.
Gowanus is important because we need housing, and Gowanus is a great place for that. It was an area that was largely underutilized. We have a waterfront that we can revitalize. The overall vision that the city put forth for Gowanus was, a vibrant, mixed-use environment.
The Gowanus Canal area is so complex with respect to redevelopment that it really requires an engineering firm that has a deep bench, depth of experience, and most importantly, a multidisciplinary firm that is very collaborative.
The first layer of complexity is that many of these sites are waterfront. Also, the bulkheads, some of them were 100 years old when the rezoning and redevelopment began.
One of the major challenges in the Gowanus neighborhood is that not only is it in the floodplain, but there are areas that are outside the floodplain that are typically prone to flooding. And this is due primarily to the topography of the neighborhood, essentially being a giant bowl. We have been able to work very closely with the city, along with the developers, to ensure that the buildings are protected and flood-proofed, to really provide a cohesive design with both the shoreline structure and the buildings themselves. Traditionally, our work has been along the canal, but with project rezoning, extent of work has been expanded, and now Langan has dozens of projects throughout the entire Gowanus neighborhood.
Big picture, all the remediations that we've been working with, all the utility coordination and bulkheads and waterfront permitting, it's translating into mid-rise and high-rise buildings, a beautiful public access to a revitalized waterfront, and clean a neighborhood that's going to be safe to live, work, and play in the future.
One of the most rewarding things for me about working at Langan is that our work truly transforms neighborhoods, and now we're doing it in Gowanus.